Oh man, look how good these things look. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Blue Exodus. My name is Austin, and today we're gonna be removing these crappy seats. This is what these seats look like about a week or so ago. Straight up embarrassing. Today we're putting the new ones back in, and honestly guys, I'm gonna tell you exactly what the whole project cost at the end of the video, and you're not gonna believe it. Let's go. Honestly, these bolts are in worse shape than I thought, but we're one step closer. Hopefully it comes off nicely. Nope, does not. There it goes. Let's go get these things dropped off. All right, here we are. Mr. Steven, how you doing, brother?
Good, Austin.
With Canvas Creations and Upholstery.
Yes, sir.
We're gonna drop him off. He's located right here in Melbourne, Florida. And yeah, hopefully he can help me.
Oh, I can help you.
He said he can help. You got a sweet shop. How long you been here for?
I've only been in this shop for a year, but I've got 20 plus years. I was in Minnesota prior to here.
Nice.
It's junk anyway.
Yeah, it's junk, you know. I don't care about that. I just wanted to look a lot better than what it is, you know.
Well, this is it.
Yeah, man, you got a great little shop.
Here's the white. It's called White Cap.
Oh yeah, that's great. Great. Real smooth, easy to clean.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks great. Can't wait to see what it looks like.
Well, yeah, and you'll be amazed. I do good work, and I don't send anything out of my shop that's not up to my
I
standard.
found you on Facebook, man, so you know I'm gonna put your.
I'm having a hard time keeping my ads on Facebook. They keep bouncing them off.
Really?
Well, I guess you're not allowed to sell your business. You can sell your product, but you can't sell your business.
Really? Guys, I just got the phone call saying to come get these cushions, and he said they turned out really, really good. So we'll see what they look like. It's about a week and a half later, and I saw a couple pictures, but I haven't seen them in person. So let's see what they look like when we get there. We have arrived. What's up, buddy?
How you doing?
I'm doing all right. I'm happy to be here. I can tell you that. Here they are, all complete. Steven did a great job. It's got this is the backrest to the console. It's all nicely done so it vents nicely and won't mold out. And this is the seat for the bow. Everything looks really good. Super happy, can't wait to get them installed.
Let's have the. This one has the.
Okay, yeah, sweet.
Has the hinge on it.
That should go right on there, no problem.
And I started thinking that it went back here because this was the back of the seat, but then I looked at the picture.
It folds
that
forward.
I took.
Yeah.
I looked at the picture I took and it was on the wrong end. So.
Yep, it looks good. All right, well let's get them
Took a
loaded
shine
up.
To the.
Oh yeah, it looks great.
Cleaned up the best I could.
He wants to make sure they leave here perfectly. Yeah, that'll work great.
That'll work great.
Yeah. All right, well we're gonna go get them on the boat. I appreciate you so much.
I appreciate you too. I appreciate the extra. That's gonna help me out a lot.
Absolutely.
This guy does the polishing. You see his face?
Yeah. Let's get back on the road and see what they look like. Phew. I don't have any help today, so I got some solid wire here. I'm just gonna hold this seat up where I like it. Then hopefully it will stay there so I can screw it in. At least it will hold it up. So happy to get this done. I'm so tired of looking at those raggedy seats that look like they went through Category 5 hurricane. Looks good to me. Guys, check it out. We got them all installed. Got everything cleaned up underneath there. They turned out really, really well. I mean, you can't beat that at all. I can't wait to share with you guys how much I paid for them. I mean, this whole cushion right here he had to make, so I kind of just threw some measurements up there, but it turned out good. I mean, it's a small little jumper seat, and put a nice ridge in this one so you can actually not fall out of it. So let's get down to the numbers. All right, here's the breakdown. You guys know that I didn't have a front cushion, so he actually had to make that. I had to send him some measurements. The guy's name is Steven with Canvas Creations and Upholstery. He's out of West Melbourne, Florida. Super good guy, very fair. He charged me $550 to make both of these seats. The backrest for the leaning post, the bottom, and the two in the front. I feel like that's very reasonable. I had a quote from another person. They wanted to charge me like $22 or somewhere around $2,000 to get these two seats made, and I thought that was ridiculous because you guys know that I got this boat for nothing, so that's almost more than I have in the whole boat for just seats, so that's ridiculous. But yeah, I'll put his link in the description below, and you can't beat it for that price. I mean, check it out. One last time, guys. I'm super stoked it's coming together. It doesn't look like, you know, the Flying Dutchman's boat. You know, can't beat it. Doesn't look bad at all. These, he put flaps on here, and the top has a track. So what I was gonna do is maybe get some Velcro for the back and just Velcro it down, which is fine. No need to redo it, I can make it work. But you could also use these snaps if you ever got an enclosure on the boat. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. We got a lot of cool stuff coming up, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace, guys.